Hello everyone, I'm Lawrence Lim, founder and CEO of Lighting Recipe Studio.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack Chong, General Manager of Prosperity Group and CEO of Traxon EQ.
Today we are not just here to talk about a partnership. We want to address a much bigger question. At a time when the market is talking about healthy lighting, human-centric design, and smart spaces, how do we turn those ideas into solutions that are operational, verifiable, and continuously optimizable? Hi, Jack. Before we get into today's main topic, I think it is important to talk about how this calibration began. What we are doing today did not come out of nowhere. Back when I was serving as CEO of Ledvance, there was already a long-standing relationship between OSRAM, Ledvance, and the Prosperity Group. Because of the history, we stay in close contact over the years and continue to exchange views and how the lighting industry was evolving, where it was changing, and what changes were emerging. Later, each of us moved forward along our own path. The Prosperity Group acquired Traxon technology and EQ brands from OSRAM and integrated the general lighting business. And while I founded Lighting Recipe Studio, although our roles changed, in many ways we were still responding the same question: where should lighting go next? So to me, what we are doing today is not just a new partnership. It was also a natural and meaningful continuation of long-standing industry connection. From your perspective, why is Traxon willing to move forward with Lighting Recipe Studio at this moment?
I completely agree. The strongest partnerships are rarely built on a single business opportunity alone. They are built on long-term understanding and trust. For us, this deeper collaboration with Lighting Recipe Studio is not starting from zero. It is built on years of industry dialogue and mutual understanding. More importantly, the market itself has changed. People are no longer looking simply for better products or for more flexible controls. They are looking for a higher level of value. How can light truly respond to human needs? And how can a system become not only controllable, but also verifiable, optimizable, and capable of creating value over time? In that context, we believe that this collaboration between Traxon EQ and Light Recipe Studio is not only timely, but also very forward-looking.